Nipples aren't killing children. They should be more concerned about the wars that are happening. There's so much violence in the world. There are so many legitimate things to be upset about besides nipples. Don't be ashamed of who you are. Embrace who you are. I like characters who have strong facades and then have secrets. They have cracks. I am a dreamer. Seriously, I'm living on another planet. It's boring to be like everybody. If you're weird, it's good to be weird. I want to travel. Maybe I'll end up living in Norway, making cakes. I have Algerian, Turkish, Swedish, Spanish blood. I feel like a citizen of the world. Life and cinema don't have borders.